The fifth generation Sony WH-1000X-M5 is best alternative to Apple's AirPods. Apple AirPods Max is one of the best headphones available in the market due to its premium design, impressive audio quality, and excellent noise-canceling technology. However, their high pricing can be a turn-off for many. As technology evolves, other tech companies have entered this market, and we are seeing newer models as Apple's alternative offering immersive sound tech. With various options in AirPods, some offer experiences similar to the AirPods Max, while others may even surpass it in terms of budget, battery life, and other features. If you're looking for an alternative, GadInsider has brought some great options. Best AirPods Max alternatives to buy. Sony WH-1000X-M5. The fifth generation Sony WH-1000X-M5 is the best alternative to Apple's AirPods. It was first released in 2016 as the Mendra 1000X wireless and has become increasingly popular as they've improved with each generation. The headphones are available at a lower price, offering broader smart controls and a longer battery life of around 30 hours. Clear Enduro ANC. Clear Enduro ANC is ranked as the best cheap noise-canceling headphones, offering a battery life extending up to 60 hours with ANC, which is 3 times more than Apple's flagship. It has adjustable ambient listening, EQ customization, and Google Fast Pair. It could be the best option for those who want something just as practical and more affordable than the AirPods Max. Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless. Sennheiser's new Momentum 4 Wireless is the 4th generation noise-canceling headphone, quite similar to its classic-looking predecessor, offering a 60-hour battery life and an effective noise cancelling. Sennheiser's Smooth House sound handles a wide range of music content and features Bluetooth 5.2 and aptX adaptive support.